Yo, what's going on, everybody? Chad Bennett here, your Make Money Online Coach. And today I want to share some very valuable information with you today. Something that I wish I knew 15 years ago, you guys, when I was getting started in affiliate marketing and had since given up, since then. I wish I knew this information. I spent so much money and so much time on ads and all kinds of stuff that I did not need, and I wasn't focusing my attention the way that I should be, and I just was not properly set up, and it was mostly because I did not invest in myself and get the proper resources and education in front of me and have the resources to reach out to and have somebody tell me exactly what I needed to be doing to succeed with affiliate marketing. And this is why I think it's so important that when people are getting started, that they invest in themselves, they take a little bit of extra time, and they actually spend a little bit of money and invest in themselves so they get the right resources in front of them so that they can learn what actually works, so that you can spend your time focusing on what works instead of trying to figure it all out yourself. You'll save yourself a lot of heartache, and you most likely won't give up because you'll be doing what will actually help you succeed. So I'm going to show you today what I wish I knew when I was getting started with affiliate marketing 15 years ago. This one simple technique, you guys, will change the game for you if you are getting started in affiliate marketing as a beginner. So let's jump straight into this video, you guys. You're absolutely going to love what I have to share with you today. So first things first, before we get too deep into this, I want you to understand that you really need to soak in this information and that you must be applying this in your affiliate marketing business. This is not something that you can simply brush off. This is what all the professionals, this is what all the big guys, everybody that's making a ton of money from beginner level all the way up to professional, multimillionaire affiliate marketers, you guys, this is what they are doing. They are implementing this into their business. It is a must do. And I was not doing this when I got started. So let's jump over to my whiteboard because I want to draw this out so that you can actually see how this works. Don't get, scared at all. This is very, very simple. And if you want more information, at the end of this video, I'm going to share with you where you can get started and get, step-by-step instructions on exactly what you need to be doing and how you can get set up very, very quickly and get your affiliate marketing business running within 15 days or less. Alrighty, make sure that you're paying close attention to this, you guys, because this will help you out a ton if you are a beginner affiliate marketer or an intermediate affiliate marketer and you are not doing this. You need to be implementing this into your business if you are not finding success or you're finding very little success. Regardless, every affiliate marketer has to have this implemented into their business model. You have to be doing this, you guys. So this is what I was not doing. I want to show you exactly what I was doing 15 years ago as an affiliate marketer, just getting started, you guys. I went out there, just let me tell you a little bit of my story. I went out, bought a book, and I don't know if it wasn't a very good book, if I didn't read the entire book, or if it just, at that time it was not correct information. This was about 15 years ago. I was around 15, 16 years old, and I, had decided that I was going to try out affiliate marketing. Super excited, drove an hour to our local Barnes & Noble because that was the closest place that had the book that I wanted. And picked up this book, brought it back home, and got started doing this. And so what you're going to find out as an affiliate marketer is when you get started is that you have to be able to drive traffic. Now, there's a bunch of different methods to do this. We can make a whole other video or a series of videos about this subject, you guys. But you have to drive traffic, and you have to have an offer, a product that you're driving this traffic at, an affiliate link that people are going to be driven to so that they can purchase the product that they're after, because the whole purpose of affiliate marketing is finding individuals that have a product that they already want and then connecting them with that, right? So getting started, what I did, because this is the only way I could think of and I thought it would be quick, would be to go out to ClickBank and find an affiliate product on there. And I believe it had something to do with weight loss. I'm not sure, but I think I at least stuck to an evergreen category. And by the way, if you're not doing that, you need to be in one of those categories if you really want to make money. We're talking about health, wealth, or romance. You have to have some type of product that has to do with that because those products are always hot. People are always searching for those products, you guys. You want to be doing that. I don't want to get too far off topic here. So basically, I went out to ClickBank. I found an affiliate product that had to do with weight loss, I believe. And I had it to drive traffic. And what I was doing was basically going out to Google Ads and placing Google ads on pages and, bidding for different, spots and stuff like that. And at that time, as a kid, I didn't have a lot of money. So losing a little bit of money and watching people click on my ads and nothing happen, really hurt. $100, $200 loss was very, very painful for me. And by the way, if you're getting started and you're trying to do affiliate marketing and you're trying to do it the paid way, I highly kind of don't recommend that, because if you're going to start out the paid method, you need to understand that you need to have money that you can lose, because it takes time, and I'm still not very effective with the whole paid thing. I do use it to help grow my business, but I don't count on my paid advertisement to solely bring in my business, to grow my business and actually create money. You guys, what you want to be doing is you want to be doing a little bit of paid traffic, and you want to have a free method. And I highly recommend YouTube. I got started doing this now because I've been following individuals that have shown me the path, that have told me what to do, and it works. You guys, stick to what works. So back to what we're talking about here. I went out to ClickBank, had a product, and I had Google ads that was directing my traffic towards my affiliate offer. And so this is why this doesn't work and why you should not be doing this, because I spent a lot of money on ads, you guys, and I never actually met the customers that I was directing over to my affiliate offer. So this offer right here is a landing page, and this landing page is just for the product. This is a link that the whatever affiliate product that you're actually promoting gives you, and it just directs them to that. And if the person that lands on your ad and clicks on it and gets over to the offer that you're actually presenting, whatever that product is, and they don't purchase anything, well, guess what? They're completely gone forever. I mean, you don't know who they are. And, even if they do purchase something, a lot of times you don't have their information. Who has their information is the company that just sold that product. They captured all that information. You never collected any information from anybody. And if they bounced off, you didn't make any money at all. So this is what you do not want to be doing. This is absolute no bueno right here. Do not do this. You will waste your time. You will waste your money. I'm going to show you exactly what you need to be implementing now that will help you succeed as an affiliate marketer, and what I got started doing this time, and it absolutely changed the game for me. So stick with me here and pay close attention. So what you're looking at right here, you don't understand at the moment, but I'm going to explain that to you. So stick with me and I'll explain to you exactly what all these different little letters mean. It's just my way of showing you exactly what's taking place here. But this is what I spent some money and invested myself and my time into to actually go out and do what works, you guys. This is what the professional affiliate marketers are doing, or some type of version of this. And you don't have to be a professional to do this. You want to be doing this as a beginner or at an intermediate level as well. Regardless, it needs to be part of your business model. If you're doing affiliate marketing, it's not hard to do at all. You can do this almost practically for free. I recommend a different method that will help you get set up. And like I said, I'll share that with you at the end of this video. If that sounds interesting to you, that's what I got started and what has helped launch me to success in a very, very short period of time. So check this out. This is what works, you guys. This is what you want to be doing. So right here, what you're seeing is this T over here, and that box where you see the T, that is representing traffic. So regardless if you're doing something paid or you're doing free traffic or you're doing both, which is what you should be doing. You should be doing a little bit of paid traffic, and you should be doing free traffic. And if you don't have any money at all, that's fine. You can generate free traffic. It just takes some extra hustle and some extra work, and you can do this 100% for free if you're just willing to put in the work, you guys. You're going to have to invest in some tools, obviously, and you're still going to invest in some education for yourself, but you can drive traffic practically for free. So check this out. The T represents traffic, you guys, because you have to direct your offer, your offer over there that you see with the O. You have to be directing traffic at that offer. But what you see there in the middle now is there's a couple other boxes there. And these other boxes are very, very important. And there can be more of them and there can be less, but you're going to have at least one. The one that you see right there with the L represents a landing page or a squeeze page. And what is happening here, you guys, is you're going to see from the T is your traffic is going to be directed not straight to your offer now. It's going to go to a landing page or a squeeze page. And what's happening on this page is you want to keep it very, very focused. You don't want a bunch of clutter. You want exactly what the person landing on that page needs to see. It needs to be very simple. And what you're going to basically ask for on this page is you're going to ask for their name and you're going to ask for their email address, and you're going to give out something for free, something of value for free, whether it's a video that teaches them how to do something, a PDF that teaches them how to do something, whatever it is, it has to be something of great value or offer a value in exchange for their email address. So they're going to give you their name and their email address, and you're going to give them something that's going of value that's going to help them with what they're seeking, right? So if they're wanting to learn how to make money online, maybe you offer a free PDF of, how to set up their affiliate funnel or something like that, something of value that they can get in exchange for their name and their email address. Now, what's different about this that didn't happen before is now you're collecting these individuals' information, such as their name and email address. And what's cool about that is you see that arrow right there beneath that where it says email. Now you have an autoresponder, which is also very important, that is collecting this information automatically and sending out emails to them. And now you can follow up with these people. Now they're your customer for life, unless they decide to unsubscribe for some reason. Excuse me. But now you actually can develop a relationship. People get to know you. They subscribed, right? They subscribed to your email list. And now you've paid for a customer, whether it was through your hard work or through paid ads, and they belong in your autoresponder right there. That page, that landing page, captures their name and their email information. And now you can follow up. You can you offer different offers. You can offer more value. You can start to create a relationship and redirect them at different offers if you choose so. Email marketing is very, very important. You need to be doing that as well. I'm not going to get too deep into that because that's not what this video is about. But that landing page right there is super, super important. What you notice is the difference is instead of sending them straight to my offer now, they landed on my landing page. I collected their information so I can follow up. And the box right there where you see the W, what that is a welcome page, because after they get to my landing page, now they're going to land on my welcome page. And my welcome page is basically an introduction, introducing me. Now, the welcome page, you guys, is not required, but I highly recommend that because it puts a face, to what they're viewing and helps them to relate and makes you relatable and develops a relationship before you actually go and dump them off onto your offer. And it kind of gives you a way to introduce, what it is that your offer is, whatever it is that you're selling, that you're trying to get them to go and actually purchase. So that's why that welcome page is important. It's not a necessity, but I highly recommend that. And what you'll notice and basically what you're seeing here, you guys, is an affiliate funnel. It's a funnel. It funnels your traffic, captures their information, warms them up to your offer, and then presents the offer to them. Some affiliate funnels have more pages than this, some have less. But this is a basic structure of an affiliate funnel, and this is extremely important. If you are an affiliate marketer, you must be doing this. So as a beginner, you guys, I had no clue that this existed. I don't know if people were doing that at the time, but it's happening now. It works, and you need to do this. Do what works if you want to succeed with affiliate marketing. So there you have it, everybody. This is what I wish I knew getting started as a beginner in affiliate marketing 15 years ago. That would have helped me out tremendously, guys. If you like this information, if this makes sense to you, if you want more of it, if you want step-by-step procedures of exactly what you need to be doing, a blueprint, if you will, that tells you what you need to do and lays it out, because if you're like me at all, that is exactly what I was looking for when I got started with affiliate marketing this time, you guys. I scoured the internet looking for someone that was honest, someone that had integrity, and someone that could tell me exactly step by step what I needed to be doing. And I found that. I highly believe in it. I wouldn't be telling you about it if I didn't. And if you want to get started and you want the fast track to success, you need to check out my #1 recommendation down in the top of the description of this video. Get started right there, you guys. It's very, very inexpensive to get started. And within 15 days, you can be up and running and have your own affiliate marketing business, you guys. Get started with some professionals that will teach you exactly what to do. The people that are on my team want to help you. They have very high integrity, and they will fast track you to success. That is all I have for you today. I'll make some other videos on some other topics. If there's areas that you're struggling in, let me know down in the comments. I'll make some videos about that as well and give you as much value and information that I possibly can for free to help you get started and be successful in your own affiliate marketing business. You guys, I want you to succeed. I don't want you to go through what I went through. So that's all I have for you today. I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like this video, you guys. Don't forget to share it. Don't forget to comment. It helps to grow my channel. It helps to get this information out to as many people as possible so that they can succeed as well. And I'm always just very, very appreciative of all the likes, comments, and stuff that I get to help, grow my channel and help support me. So show some love and, make sure that you like this video. That's all I have. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.